Tablespoons yogurt, 1 tablespoon garlic and ginger, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon oregano and thyme, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 3 tablespoons soya sauce, 3 tablespoons chili sauce, 3 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce. Mix well. One-half key boneless chicken cut in small pieces. Mix together. Marinate for 1 hour. 1/2 cup cooking oil. 1 tablespoon garlic and ginger. Cook on medium flame for 1 minute. 1 small onion finely chopped. Cook until translucent. Add marinated chicken. Cook for 2 minutes. One chicken cube. 1½ cup tomatoes paste. Mix well. Cover and cook on low flame for 10 minutes. Grams cream, 1 cup milk. Cook on medium flame for 2 minutes. 500 grams pasta boiled. Mix well. Cover and cook on low to medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes.